friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. Woo! I wish I had the little clapping things that you can hear in the background, but I don't know how to put those on my video yet. I'm so excited because today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you all, and I love Dollar Tree. You can literally find anything because guess what? I literally found anything and everything in today's Dollar Tree haul. So I'm just gonna grab from this basket that I have here and show you what I bought and why I bought it, you know, kind of give you a little backstory. But yeah, before we get started on the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that little bell so that you don't miss any of my video uploads. Also, follow me on my social media. I will list it right here on the screen or on the description box below. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, friends, just bear with me because the first thing that I bought is right here in front of you all. It's this little storage container. I mean, it's not the best quality, but it is $1 and it will store your goodies or anything that you want to store in it. This is what it looks like from the inside, and this is a smaller version of it, and I'm going to show you what they look like in the package. This is what you would probably see at the Dollar Tree. This is what they look like. They are by the Essentials brand, and what I'm thinking on doing with these are actually putting them in my drawers. Now, I'm not sure if they're gonna fit. If they're a little too tall, then I would have to perform a little bit of surgery on them and cut them up a little bit because they are more like flimsy and easy to cut material. But I bought these to store and to divide clothing in my drawers. I hope they fit. If not, we will make it work. But yeah, I decided to pick out 4 of these. I hope they do work. If not, I will give them a new job. But yeah, this is what they look like, and I can't wait to get organized. So sticking with the organization theme, I actually got these little organization bins, and I usually have had these in the past, and they're also by the Essentials brand, and they look like this. They have this little rubber right here so your items will not move back and forth, and they have little feet at the bottom. So I did pick up 2 of these, and these I'm going to use here in my beauty room just to store makeup and all of that. I usually like to organize my makeup or just to use it as trays to throw things in. So I picked up these 2. I also picked up this longer one that you see right here, also by the Essentials brand, and again it has that little rubber inside and the little feet at the end. This one is way longer, so I'm thinking of putting it here in my desk because it is kind of long here. I should have gotten a second one. I don't know what I was thinking, but I grabbed one, and hopefully I can fit in some makeup in here, maybe some blushes, or maybe use it for like pens and pencils here in my desk. But yeah, I'm super excited because you can never go wrong with organization at Dollar Tree. Next up, guys, I'm gonna go into this bucket, and I'm just gonna grab in no particular order, so just bear with me if it's food and then home and then food again or randomness. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. But we're gonna start with the first one. First things that I see in here are these amazing cotton rounds, and you have 80 count of cotton rounds. These are absolutely fantastic. I use these for my toner on my face and to remove makeup. They are amazing. So whenever I find them, I stock up. So I bought 3 little packs of these. Are absolutely amazing, so I had to pick them up. Going back to school is right around the corner. I am a teacher. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna be teaching in person or virtually, but anyhow, I needed some highlighters and just to use in my planner or you highlight important information. So I picked up this pack of all yellow highlighters, and then I picked up this one that has more of a different colors of highlighters. I've never used the Pro Marks brand, but hopefully they're good and they just get the job done. Each of these were $1, and yeah, I'm super excited because I finally have highlighters at home. All my other highlighters are at school, so these will be staying here. Sticking with school related stuff, also I got a Cover It correction fluid that looks like this. It was only $1. I totally needed one this past spring when I was teaching virtually. I had one and it was dried out and I wasn't going out anywhere, so I picked one of these up just in case to have it ready for this fall coming up and to correct all this stuff. You know, when you're a teacher, you're going correcting like cray cray. Next up is this nightlight. It looks like this, and it's kind of like a thin surface. I don't know if you can see that, but I thought it was super cool because I had never seen this. I haven't tried it. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but it says it glows in blue and it's indoor only use. I thought it was perfect just to try it out, and yeah, it was only $1, so I picked it up. Talking about my beauty room, since I film videos and sometimes I'm doing like makeup tutorials, I picked this really pretty mirror up. The other side, it's just a mirror right here. You can see it. I don't want to blind you all, so there you go. But this is the gorgeous pattern. It looks so pretty. There was various different colors of this mirror. I think there was a mint one, a pink one, various different pretty pastel colors, and I decided to opt for the white. I used to have one of these in my classroom in the silver, but I haven't gone there in a while, so I picked this one up, and I can't wait to keep it in my beauty room and use it on future makeup routines. Next up, we have this little basket. I love it because it's very flimsy and you can kind of make it work and put anything you want in here. We just picked it up for organization, maybe to put under the bathroom or just to carry stuff from outside the house inside. I don't know what we're going to use it for, but I love that it does come with handles, and as you can see, it's very flexible. They did have it in a bunch of other colors as well. I was shopping with my dad that day, and he actually picked up this rain poncho. Looks like this. So it's just a basic clear rain poncho, and he said, well, you know what, you never know, he wants to have this in his truck just in case. But yeah, he picked this up and I thought I would share it with you. I should have grabbed one for myself, and I think these are really good just to have handy. Maybe have it in your purse, you know, you never know, rainy days. Also, he picked up some super glue. The super glue from there is really good. He also picked up another one, which is a gel. This is like the fluid one, but he picked up a gel one. He already is using it. I couldn't find the packaging, but this is another one that he picked up, and yeah, super good, super good. 2 for $1. Also, pizza cutter. It is by Betty Crocker right here. In all honesty, we don't have a pizza cutter. We've never had one in the household, so when I saw it, I just picked it up because it's so weird. We didn't have a pizza cutter before. Do you all have a pizza cutter at home? Toothpaste. This is what it looks like. I just saw it and it talked to me. It spoke to me because of the little sparkling white. So cute. So this is what I picked up, and it's just a regular toothpaste. So yeah, not much to say about this one, just that I was attracted by the packaging. There are a few snacks missing in this Dollar Tree haul, let's be honest. And some snacks that are here are opened and some of them are gone. So here we go. I got the Sour Patch, what are these? The Watermelon Sour Patch Kids. These are so delicious. They're absolutely gone. But I kept the box so just I could show you. If you don't like sticky gummies that stick to your teeth, try the Watermelon Sour Patch. These are absolutely amazing and super tasty. I also grabbed some Milk Duds. So they look like this. They're already open because we've been having a few of them, but they're super good. I actually want to put them in popcorn because Jaclyn Hill, you know, she loves to put these in popcorn, and I have never tried that. I just hear her talk about it all the time. So I saw them. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to grab them so we can have like a popcorn day on Friday, watch a movie at home, and add these to popcorn. So got the idea from Jaclyn Hill, and I just picked them up. Next up, I picked up some sunflower kernels that look like this. It's just a little bag of, how many come in here? 5 ounces come in here. We put these in salads most of the times. I will find a little container for it, but yeah, just for salads and stuff like that. I also picked up these toffee peanuts. These are actually for my dad because he loves anything like this. So these are gonna be super delicious because I believe they are like coated in candy, if I am correct. But yeah, they're the Star Snacks brand. Last but not least, I picked up this shrimp hot and spicy. Okay, disclaimer, I know this is super not good for you, but the packaging again, like look at it. So I just picked it up. We're gonna try it. I promised my brother I would let him have it and try it out with me. But yeah, it looks very delicious. Not very good for you because of all the sodium, but it's okay. We're just gonna try it out, and I decided to pick that up. All right, friends, and that concludes my Dollar Tree haul. I'm so excited that you're here. This was a very random Dollar Tree haul. I didn't find any makeup products this time around. My Dollar Tree was kind of like picked over, so no makeup. I was kind of sad over that, but I did find a lot of other goodies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and follow me on my social media. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video so I know to film more of these for you, and let me know what you liked from the haul, or what is your favorite Dollar Tree product that you want me to go ahead and go on a hunt for next time that I go to Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching, friends. I will see you on the next one. Bye.